I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the assets and opening the game folder so you can act immediately. First, make a quick backup of CFG and resource folders. This prevents accidental loss. Next, enable the developer console, then open Steam, right-click Cs2, manage local files, browse to access game files. Meanwhile, make sure your tracks are normalized and trimmed. Once done, convert or transcode them to a clean, consistent sample rate, so later conversion is smooth and predictable. Now you convert and package audio into the format Cs2 expects so the game can read it reliably. Use a WISE or audio conversion tool to produce WEM files, then name each file following the kit convention. Consistent names avoid collisions. Once converted, assemble them into a single folder and create any manifest or metadata files the game requires. This tells Cs2 what tracks belong to which slot. Make sure durations and ID match your intent, because mismatches cause silent tracks or wrong assignments. Finally, you install and verify the kit so it plays and matches. Copy your packaged folder and manifest into the Cs2 music kit or equivalent directory, preserving any required structure, then relaunch the game. Open your loadout, equip the new music kit, and test it in a warm-up or offline match to confirm playback. If you encounter silence or errors, check format compatibility, manifest ID, and file permissions. Often a Steam restart or re-import after fixing names resolves most issues, so try that next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.